Let's learn how to use the video cards template at SharePoint The purpose of this template is to take a library in SharePoint in which you've loaded videos, usually those would be MP4 videos, and to be able to display those videos in a nice looking gallery. As you can see from the preview, this is going to show a nice card similar to what you might see on YouTube as an example. And then when the user clicks on the image that will start the video, some of the features include a time counter that shows how much time would be in the video, and then you can put in the title and notes. It also shows the name of the person who uploaded the video and the date that was loaded. So as you can tell, there's some theme options you can check out when you first get started. In order to be able to use this template, you do need to make sure that you have the fields set up that are described in the notes section. The first three fields are already included for you. These are just regular SharePoint fields. You just need to make sure they're included in your view. Those are created, created by, and name, which is the name of the file. You do need to add 3 fields in order to use this template successfully. You need to create a field called time length with no space, and that is where you will enter the length of the video for the benefit of your users. The next is preview image with no space. That should be a SharePoint image field. The purpose of that field is to be able to upload your own preview image instead of using what SharePoint provides out of the box. Note that if you don't do that, a thumbnail from the video will be uploaded for you, but generally it looks nicer if you pick your own. And then the last one is a description, which needs to be called video description with no space. That should be a multi-line text field where you can include a detailed description of the content of that video. As you can tell, I have those fields set up in my list. As I mentioned, you do need to make sure that these are shown in the view where you're going to apply this template. So I've just got a regular document library in SharePoint where I have loaded my videos. And so I will go ahead and go to my template selection. I'm going to just go ahead and use the out-of-the-box theme 1, and then I'm going to copy the template, follow the instructions in the box, and then I can come back to SharePoint, go to the view selector, and then format current view, click on advanced mode, and then paste in your code from the template tool. And there you go. So those are nice looking video cards. And as I mentioned, you can go to the list to upload a different preview image, and also you can enter the time on the video so your users can see that. Again, trying to mimic some of the useful functionality that we're used to in looking at YouTube. And then of course you can customize the background color of the card, the size of the text, and all those types of things as well. So that's about all there is to it. You can of course adjust the width of the cards to make them as wide as you want. Notice that you do have a cards per row setting, and that controls how many are going to be on a row in your SharePoint view. So depending on how big those cards are, I would recommend that you possibly adjust that setting. If you're going to do a larger card like this, probably it's better to do 2 cards per row. So if you do videos, if you upload them to SharePoint, or if you want to and you want to share that with other employees, or if you just want to share web meeting recordings, this could be a really useful template to improve that usability and be able to manage these very easily. I hope you like that, and I hope you're able to use this template on your video library. This template is part of the subscription package at SharePoint-dashboards.com. There are more than 120 total templates. If you want to try out this tool, there is a free sign up which does include 20 free templates. you can just go to this tool and provide your email. You get a login and you can try those templates. And then if you are interested and want to go on, you can take advantage of all the templates by signing up. Thank you and good luck.